Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing Guru. Today we had the brand new Rockerz 650 Pro, a powerhouse of features with Dolby audio, seamless touch control, 80 hours battery life and much more. So is this the best wireless headphone under 3000? Let's unbox it and find out. So inside the box we get the Rockerz 650 Pro headphone. I have the iris black color, a Type-C charging cable, an aux cable for wired connectivity, a user guide with warranty details. Now it's about the first impression. Well, the premium feel with a modern design makes the headphone looks quite amazing. The ear cuffs are foldable, making them easy to carry. The headband is cushioned and the build feels quite sturdy. But there is a bit problem. Yes, these headphones are really heavy compared to the other headphones that I have tried in the same price segment. So yes, this can be an issue while using for the long run. But as if you look on the headphone, all the buttons are given. You also get a Type-C port and aux port for connectivity and charging. But let's come on to the main USP. Yes, these are the headphones that are packed with touch control. Yes, this premium thing we have seen in Sony's headphone and other premium brands at very costly price. But the boat has done it under 3000 rupees. So this is really amazing part. And yes, the touch control are quite smooth. You can change the tracks, you can play, pause, you can increase the volume, you can decrease the volume just by swiping down and up. So this is a very interesting USP of the headphone. Well, the brand has also given a physical button for those who are still into the old eras want to control things from button. But now let's talk about the performance thing. Yes, the boat has packed some serious power into this headphone. Dolby audio. The sound quality is immersive with deep bass and clear vocals. The 40mm dual drivers deliver a punchy experience. So when you are using the headphone, there is basically a simple mode, the boat signature mode, which we are using. Well, there the audio is quite good, crisp, and each and everything is quite fine. But when you switch the things into Dolby audio mode, yes, the music, the movie, the game surrounds around you. That is the main key Dolby audio thing that brand has provided. And although I don't have any complaints with the sound quality and things, quite good for the pricing. Yes, the bass is quite heavy compared to the trebles, so sometimes you might feel that bass is overshadowing the trebles. But although the music listening experience is going to be good. Now coming to the battery part, 80 hours of battery life. Yes, you heard that right. You can binge watch and listen to your playlist for days without charging. So this is a really great work, and that is the big reason I believe the weight of the headphone is higher. And although you know that the boat has this SF charge thing, so you can charge it for 10 minutes and you can use it up to 10 hours. That is really good thing. Also, whenever you're buying a headphone, there is a bit concern for the microphones. Yes, if you want to have a conversation with someone, if you want to connect with someone, then noise cancellation is important during the calls. So yes, these headphones are packed with ENx dual mics that helps you for the crystal clear calls. Now coming to the other things, this has beast mode also. Yes, if you're definitely looking for a gaming thing, because this has 60 ms low latency. Well, the connectivity part might disappoint you as Bluetooth 5.4 is in the market, but this headphone is packed with Bluetooth 5.3. That can a little bit disappoint you, but yes, the connectivity is quite good. Also, you get the 2 device pairing. Yes, multiple connectivity option is also given. So you can connect your headphone with laptop, iPad or your desktop, and you can simultaneously switch things around. And if you're a gym freak, this thing really matters. IPX5 water resistance. Perfect for workouts, runs and travel. Without worrying about sweat or splashes, you can take this around. However, we cannot forget the boat hearable app experience. Yes, this headphone can be connected with the boat hearable app and you can tweak the audio according to your choice, what you want to listen. If you want heavy bass, you can increase the bass. If you want good trebles and good mids, you can do that also. So although it's time for the conclusion, let's wrap it up. The pros are much more than compared to cons. So super battery life, Dolby audio with boat signature sound, touch swipe control, that is the most key thing. Fast charging, clear calls and comfortable and foldable design. Yes, these are the good things that you get in this headphone. Now coming to the cons, no active noise cancellation. Yes, this can be a concern for those who really want an ANC headphone. Because nowadays this is a major requirement of any user, because if you're working in place where there is crowd, there is a lot of noise, you want to be separated from that and you want a good active noise cancellation headphone. This headphone doesn't come with that. Touch controls takes a little getting used to. Yes, we all have been using this button thing, though this touch control is can be a hassle for a lot of people, but yes, it is a good thing to use. So I can personally say that this Rockerz 650 Pro is good for the pricing under 3000. If you're really looking for a headphone with Dolby audio and good quality and good sound, then yes, you can go with this. So the links are given in the description, you can check it from there. But before leaving the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Unboxing Guru for more awesome tech reviews.